Welcome to this tutorial on how to clean and prepare a Bottletop dispenser for long-term storage. We will need a bottle of neutralization liquid, distilled water, an ethanol glycerol mixture, a soft brush and a pipe cleaner. First, attach the Bottletop dispenser to the neutralization bottle. Rinse the device with the neutralization liquid. Then attach it to the distilled water bottle and rinse a couple of times. Detach the dispenser. Unscrew the piston mount and clean the piston and cylinder with the brush. You may use the pipe cleaner to clean the tubes. After reassembling, rinse the device with distilled water. Finally, rinse the Bottletop dispenser with ethanol glycerol mixture. The mixture will dry fast, even if the device is packed in a box. Now your Bottletop dispenser is clean and ready for shipping or long-term storage.